Good morning, students. See, exercise 2G we have completed. Half questions up to third question we have completed. Identify numbers divisible by 11. Now today we will start our question number 4. You are given 3 digits 7, 2 and 9. See what is the condition given here first. How many 3 digit numbers can be formed without repeating any of them? See question number 4. The question is, you are given 3 digit number. What is the 3 digits given here? 7, 2 and 9. Now see A. How many 3 digits number can be formed without repeating any of them? How many 3 digits number you can form by without repeating the number? So 7, 2, 9. This is your first number. 7, 9, 2. This is your second number. 9, 7, 2. This is your third number. 9, 2, 7. This is your fourth number. 2, 7, 9 and 2, 9, 7. See, 6 numbers you have formed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So your answer is, we can form 6 numbers by not repeating any of the number. Okay. Now see, what is the second condition given here? How many of the numbers formed in A are divisible by 3 and why? Now see, how many of these numbers are divisible by 3? So for divisibility rule, you have understood the divisibility rule, that what is how to divide the how to find the number that is divisible by 3. Just get the sum. 7 plus 2 plus 9, it is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, means this number is getting divisible by 3. Now every 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. Each and every sum is 18. Here also 18. 9 plus 2, 2 plus 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 17, that is also 18. Here also 18, because all the numbers are similar here. So all numbers are getting divisible by 3. So how many of the numbers formed in A are divisible by 3? So 6 numbers, all the numbers are getting divisible by 6. So how many numbers? 6 numbers are getting divisible by 6. Okay, it is your B answer. Now see, how many of the numbers formed in A are divisible by 9? How many of the number formed in A are divisible by 9? Now see, 7, 2, 9. For this also what you have to do? 7 to 9 means 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. Each and every sum is 18. So all 6 numbers are getting, all 6 numbers are, this is similar to B. Here also you have to get the sum and which number is divisible by 9. You can find it very easily. All 6 numbers are getting, because each and every sum is 18 and 18 is divisible by 9. So all 6 numbers are getting divisible by 9. Now see, how many of the numbers formed in A are divisible by 6? Now see, 7 to 9. 7 to 9 is getting divisible by 6 or not? You have to find. First of all, is it even number? You have to find, see it is even number or not? No, it is not even number. So no, it is not getting divisible. This is even number. Yes, this is even number and it is getting, yes, it is getting divisible by 6. It is also even number, so it is also getting divisible by 6. This is not even number, so no, it is not getting divisible. This is also not getting divisible. This is also not getting divisible. Okay, so only two numbers are getting divisible by 6. Okay, now see question number 5. 72A384 is a number in which one of the digit is A. Find the number is exactly divisible by 9. What is the numerical value of A? Now see question number 5. The number is given here to you is 72A384. The number should be divisible by 9. So how to find the number that it is divisible by 9 or not? First of all, get the value of A. Divisible by 9. Okay, now see 7, first of all put here 1, 7 2 1 3 8 4. Now get the sum 7 2 1. You are trying to put, it is just your trial to put 1 that it is getting divisible or not. 3 8 4 means 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4 means 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 8 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 8, here it is it getting divisible or not? 25. 25 is getting divisible or not? No, means 25 is not getting divisible by 9. No, it means here 1 you will not get the answer 1. Now see, put here 2. If you are putting here, trying to put here 2, is it getting divisible by 2 or not? When you put here 2 means 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 2 19, 19 plus 7 26. 26 is getting divisible by 9 or not? No, it is not getting divisible by 9. Now try 3. So when you add here 3, 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4 means here you will get the sum 27. Is 9 is getting divisible by 27 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 3. 9 3s are 27. So here you will get the answer 3. Okay, so A is equal to 3. Okay. Now see our next question number 6. 46A7B2 is a numerator of 6 digits in which A and B are 2 digits. This number is divisible by 9. Find the least value of A plus B. Also state the maximum value of A plus B. Now see what is the number given here. 46A 7B2. So we have to check this is divisible by 9 or not. So see 4 plus 6 plus A plus 7 plus B plus 2. So 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 2 19 plus A plus B. Okay, now we have to find first of all the least number. They are asking about the least value of A plus B. Least value of A plus B. So least value means after 19 which number you are getting? 19. No, it is not divisible by 9. 20. No. 21. No. 22. No. 23. No. 24. No. 25. No. 26. No. 27. Yes, it is getting divisible by 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 after 19. So 19 plus A plus B. So A plus B, how many digits you get here, is equal to 27 plus a plus b is equal to 27 minus 19. So a plus b is equal to 8. This is your list value of a plus b is equal to 8. Okay. Now see, in second step they are asking state the maximum value of a plus b. What is the maximum value of a plus b? After 27 you have to find what is the maximum value. So now see, second step, maximum value of a plus b. Now see, after 27, 28 no, 29 no, 30 no, 31 no, 32 no, 33 no, it is not getting divisible by 9, 34 no, 35 no, 36 yes, it is getting divisible by 9. After 27 what is the number you got here? 36. 9 4s are 36. Now see, when you add here 19 plus a plus b is equal to 19 plus a plus b is equal to 36. Now a plus b is equal to 36 minus 19. A plus b is equal to 17. So that is the maximum value of a plus b is equal to 17. Okay, this is your condition number second that is given in your question. Okay, now start question number 7. There are 152 students waiting for a boat to cross a river. The students have to be divided into equal groups to get into different boats. In how many ways can you group the students such that each group has more than 5 students and less than 50 students? See solution number 7. See what are the total number of students given here? Total number of students is equal to 150. Total number of students given here 150. Now this 150 students you have to divide into equal parts, equal groups. Okay, in that first condition, according to the question given, condition number first. What is the condition given here? Condition first, students have to be divided into equal groups to get into different boats. Boats should be different and students should be equal. In how many ways can you group the students such that each group has more than 5 students? There should be more than 5 students in every group. Okay, now condition number second. What is the condition number second? There should be more than 5 students and less than 50 students. There should be less than 50 students. So see here, when you have to apply condition number first, there should be more than 5 students in every group. Means you cannot take 5, more than 5 you have to take, 6, 7, 8, but 5 you cannot take here. And there should be less than 50 students. Means you cannot take 50, 49, 48, 30, anything, any number you can take. Only 50 you cannot take. Don't include this 5 and 50 in your groups. So therefore according to the question, 150 you have to divide into equal parts. Now 150 by 1 you cannot divide, but 5 by 5 also you cannot divide, more than 5 it should be. So you have to divide by more than 5. 6 into 150. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 25. So one number you got here, 6 into 25 and 25 into 6. Now more than 6, 150 divided by 7, it is not divisible by 7, so 7 will not come here. 8, it is not divisible by 8, so 8 will not come here. 9, it is divisible by 9 or not? No, it is not divisible by 9. So 150 by 10, 15, 10 into 15 and 15 into 10. Okay, now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we left here, so 5 3s are 15, 0. So 30 into 5 you get here, but you cannot write here 5 into 30 because it is, we should not include 5 here, because there it is given that it should be more than 5, not less than 5. You cannot write here, and more than 5 you have to take, and so you cannot include here 5. So one number you got here, 30 into 5. Therefore we can divide the number into 5 groups. 6 into 25, 25 into 6, 10 into 15, 15 into 10 and 30 into 5. In 5 ways you can divide the group. Okay, just try to understand this question. If you have any doubt, ask me in our discussion group. Okay, then tomorrow in next lecture we will start our chapter checkup, and try to do by yourself how many questions you can do. Okay, which you don't understand I will explain you. Okay, thank you.